This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. Let's take a look at a stock that is breaking out, an IPO. And as a follow-up to a recent video I did on how to time IPOs, we can see here on the weekly there is a price breakout, but what is lacking here is we don't have fully developed RSI and MACDs, so we can't use the weekly. So really much our next option is to go to the next time frame, which from the weekly we can go to the daily and check the indicators. So on the daily here on this IPO, we see here that we have fully developed RSI and MACD indicators. So we can use the daily just as we could have used the monthly or the weekly if they were fully developed. Now, so come back to the quality of this breakout. We can see from a price perspective, it is moving above the recent daily closing high at 29.47. So the price breakout looks good, but I'll show you where I have a problem with the quality of this breakout is as of right now, we don't have the RSIs and MACDs behaving in a way that would meet the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout. So on the most mature time frame that the indicators are developed, we don't have the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout. I think that's a problem. And also we can see that there was a big move here. No problem with that, but there's a little bit of an issue with that big move, which is you go from 12 to 42. Okay, that's fine, but the problem is on this big daily move here, you actually don't close close to the highs, you close at about 28. That's a big move off the highs. So I think that's an issue of instability as far as the stock is concerned, and you go from 42 back to about 15. So big reversal from the highs there all the way to the lows, and that is a sign of instability. So now, given the fact that it does not have the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout, and this fact that we are seeing instability, this is one that I would personally ignore, just because more than likely it is going to revert back to this established behavior of what in my opinion looks to be instability. So I'd rather go with something that is showing institutional support. This one, in my opinion, lacking the minimum requirements as far as the breakout is concerned, and then this up and down behavior, not one that I would rush into. Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S.